Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel, Pinoy Nutrition, and this is Bricks, your nutrition advisor. And today's video guys, magre-react tayo sa panibagong video with Uncle Roger kung paano daw gumawa ng fried rice. Together with me is Ma'am Rosel Remolta.
Hello!
So let us watch this video.
Right, Lee's going to do the taste test.
Taste test! Don't feed this rice to human! Don't do taste test! This is child abuse! Hello, niece and nephew. It's
Test. Ang pili daw,
test.
taste test.
Taste test.
Taste test ba?
Uncle Roger. Today, Uncle Roger gonna review this video requested by so many niece and nephew out there. It's cake cooking, special fried rice. So don't go attacking anyone.
Murag siya
after
rin
this,
no?
okay?
Murag siya, no, dili.
You worry too much.
Dili murag,
All my niece and nephew
magsuon
are
sila.
people.
Magsuon na sila.
Hi people, and I'm back cooking. And today I'm going to be doing special fried rice.
Special fried rice. Again guys, kining nagluto dili ni siya Asian. Personally, dili gid sila tigkaunog rice. Kaya ilang main staple, bread, di ba?
Pasta.
Pasta, tacos. But for us, Filipinos, we are rice eaters. So, nakita din nato ang difference sa mga rice eaters versus sa mga non-rice eaters. Kung saan nila pag manipulate ang atong rice.
I put some oil in, it says 2 tablespoons.
Induction stove. Just said give this a shot and she messed up already. And why her induction stove purple? Uncle Roger never see this before, but at least she got wok.
And now I'm going to chop some garlic up because it says it's got to be really hot. And
This is the dumbest way to see if your wok is hot. Don't just put your hand in the wok, you will burn yourself. Just use your eye. Here's how you know if wok is hot. If there's smoke coming out from wok, you know it's hot. This is not the time to use finger. Don't use finger.
right now I'm going to chop the garlic up. Fingers going in there, in mine.
Why your knife so colorful? Is this
May problema sa colors.
Kasi siya problema. Dapat nagudi mo siyang pisaton, ni pirato ni mo before ni mo siya
Slice pa lang
sliceon
ay.
kay para mas dali kay siya.
Why are you using Sesame Street knife? And also look at this.
Na yung mga knife nga ni karon, porcelain knife, mabuak.
So kanimo po.
I don't know kung porcelain knife ni siya. Pero feeling na ako kay mga nga ni colorful knife, most likely porcelain knife ni siya.
The garlic so uneven. They're big pieces, they're small pieces, chopped properly.
Fried rice, it's special fried.
Ang tendency pag ingana ang imong garlic, ang uban sunog na, ang uban
Wala pa naluto.
wala pa naluto. So dapat kung dili ka kabalo mo chop, gamit ra kag chopper or much better ka to bitaw sa mortar and pestles. Imudok-dokon, okay? Mas maayo.
The garlic's so ugly.
Hindi mo gusto mo magsabay.
Her chopping so bad, even the garlic tried to escape from her.
Second time and get them all. 2 hours later.
Nag-struggle gid siya kiwa sa iyang kuan. Sa iyang garlic.
Dali ra kay
Later.
Dugmukon ra.
This must be the world's slowest chopping. I think by the time she finished chopping, everybody will have got vaccine for COVID. Uncle Roger chopped garlic. I first flattened garlic with the back of knife.
Yes, that's correct. Katong gingon at kay na nga i-flatten siya, lathon siya ba. And then para mas dali siya tanggalon ng iyang
Coating niya.
panit. Pag imo siya ni-chop into smaller piece, even ang iyang kadagkoon. Oh.
Okay, finally, she cooked.
Ito. May tendency nga ang uban ani is sunog na ang uban, hilaw pa. Especially this woman using induction stove.
Gusto kay ang kalayo.
Ulo si Kulayo.
Bago induction sa ano?
Pero nasunog lang.
The garlic has now turned brown.
It's burned already.
No, no,
Pait-pait
no,
gini
no,
yung
no,
fried rice,
oh
ma'am.
my god! Turn brown? What you mean turn brown? The garlic blacker than Auntie Helen hot woman. Are you colorblind? It completely burns. This
Colorblind.
garlic looks so much like burn victim. Uncle Roger want to start a GoFundMe for it. I didn't know you could make garlic look like it lived through Chernobyl. Hiya. For egg fried rice, we want to gently brown the garlic until it fragrant. Not cremated. This is the
Actually, I like garlic. Kanabit ang garlic, imo siyang papakong bitaw. Pero, dapat golden brown. Dili siya. Dili
Dili
golden.
itom.
This is burned already. So, wala sila mates.
Oh boy, he doesn't even know what's coming. What's she doing? What she doing? Is that raw rice she putting in what? No. I think Uncle Roger's seeing wrong. I think Uncle Roger hallucinating. Replay. Does she know rice need to be cooked? Uncle Roger say if your rice too wet, you fucked up. But if your rice uncooked, you definitely fucked up.
Lutuon pag guro.
You are rice eaters. You need to cook first the rice before nimo siya i-fried rice. Okay? Kasi you allow the rice first to gelatinize before you cook it into another dish. Just like fried rice. Kung nga case, ang imong mo na ni, ang gihimo, is naghimo siya kape. Sa tawagan
Coffee fried rice.
Coffee fried rice with garlic.
More healthy po siguro.
Healthy na.
Healthy.
No, she's stirring the
Laba.
uncooked rice. No, oh my
Laba pa
god,
rin sa fresh
stirring the
cook.
uncooked. You beat it up. Uncle Roger want to beat you up. Look at how sad this rice.
Sa kuha na gini yun.
This look like raw rice with rat shit inside. How can you ruin beautiful grain of rice like that? The rice farmer worked so hard to make rice for you, and you disrespect it like this.
It says I'm going to put the chicken
Huh?
in with the egg.
Chicken.
Right, can I?
So you think putting chicken in the
Gihimo ko sa luto.
egg is wrong, but you think putting uncooked rice in burnt garlic is correct? What your logic? No, oh my.
Egg na may ham.
Chicken ham.
Chicken ham.
Chicken.
Oh my.
Chicken.
Disgusting. Every step, the rice just look worse and worse.
Maluto ang egg, tapos katong iyang chicken ham. Of course, the chicken ham is already cooked. And of course, dali naman kayo lutoon ng egg. Pero, take note nga ang rice, dili gid siya maluto kasi it takes time for the rice to gelatinize.
I don't know if you can see, but I've been cooking some peas because I don't know if
Green
you're
peas
supposed to
pa siya.
cook them first.
You're not
Shut
supposed to
your
cook the
fried
peas first. You're supposed to cook the rice first. Hiya. This woman cook pea, but she don't cook rice.
Naglibog siya, kaya yan i-separate ang green peas, luto. Whereas the rice, wala nang
Nauna pa ang rice.
Kasi when you try to cook rice, fried rice, everything should be cooked separately and you just combine. Say for example, you want to make a fried rice, of course you need to cook first the rice and then after that, kung nakaisahog nga ng green peas, okay, or meat, imo siyang lutuon sila tanan. And then you combine the ingredients and that is your fried rice. Timplahan mo siya. Especially kung na siya bagoong or any sauce nga imo ibutang, it's the best fried rice you can have.
She's abusing this boy. If you feed this rice to starving person, even starving person will say, I choose to die. I don't want to eat this.
Rather die.
Moment of truth. Uy, stick ra mo na imuha. Ilay spoon, magbut man ka.
You can't taste the garlic.
Yeah, of course you can't taste it.
Of
Nawala ang
course.
garlic.
It become cold now.
They're nice big cushion.
The what? What he say? What he say?
They're nice big cushion.
The rice crunchy. Of course, the rice.
The rice a little bit crunchier daw. Of course,
Kagub-kub yun. Ikaw ba naman mo ng tubo?
The rice crunchy. Of course, the rice. The rice not cooked at all. The rice just came from paddy field this morning, and you eat the rice pie. Of course, it's crunchy. Of course. Where?
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy watching our video guys. That is our advice, that you need to learn how to cook the rice first, okay, before you need to learn how to cook fried rice. Just to give information to everyone, we Filipinos are rice eaters. We know how to cook rice without using British cup.
Only fingers.
Only fingers. Okay? So, pag measure ana, so, usaon paggamit sa kamot. Di ba kay, ganun kamot-kamoton. So, una kay imo siyang i-submerge, sukato nimo kung asta man ang rice. So, for example, diri taman ang rice. And then, ang next nimo nga measurement is, kung mao ni ang top sa rice, dito nimo ipatong yung kamot, and then ang tubig na dapat half sa imong gi-measure first. Okay, mo na ang paggamit sa finger. But nowadays, if you're just using rice cooker, your challenge is on how to measure your water. So yun guys, so I hope you're enjoying watching our videos, and for more videos, please subscribe to our channel, to my channel Pinoy Nutritions, for more reaction videos. And see you soon. God bless. Bye.